Can't stretch all of my cartoon long because it will trip out. All the people them know how long you've been doing this thing.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a while now. And I started for publicly. I just decided to come out like publicly and doing it. And I said, but I've been giving a helping for a while now.
But I mean, we see several people on the grounds of Hellshire Park right about now. You is a son of Hellshire Park. Let the people them know why you choose to spend your resources. Why not somebody else? Why you have to choose to do this for the community?
I'm from the place. You know what I mean? I'm not from the back from there. So I say, great plans for everybody, you know what I mean?
Franno is like a great talker, you know. Franno coming like Russell Simmons. A 2-word and 2-line, you know. But one more question, no move yet. The people them want to know, how longer you think that you gonna keep on doing this thing here, Franno?
As long as birth my body, man.
When I want you to just pick up the people in Hellshire Park and tell them thanks and things. See?
Big up each and everyone and thanks for coming out here.
Franno, I'm sorry. I can't let you leave without thanking you for all you've done for my show, Kidstreat Vegas. If you all know it, it normally airs on Ready TV, and for the Ready TV family, big up yourselves tonight. Thank you very much, Franno, for showing your support at the times when you alone because I call and say, Franno, I did something. Jesus Christ, what am I do? And you say, come down, Kidstreat Vegas, my soon work out sitting for you. Thank you so much, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much. Invite me anywhere at all. Hellshire Park, you are, all I have to say is that, appreciate who you have around you. Don't wait until they're gone. Many artists have passed this year, many producers. I'm sure many of your family members, and this is why we're keeping it here tonight. Want to stop the violence and support what is good and what is right. Share on your phone, your neighbors, tell them support what's good. Big up yourself, Franno.
Yes, Franno, you're the big boss. We give thanks for passing through. Give thanks for your inclusion. We give thanks for this promotion. You know what I mean? And Hellshire Park, we want you to give Franno a round of applause. Give Franno a round of applause. Let me hear that no man, me no hear no clapping a go on. If me swing all one of my and it make like nose, it let me arm nice, louder than how you clap. Give me again, one more round of applause. Oh yes indeed, and we give thanks, see? But of course you know say, Hellshire Park, yeah? You don't know say you might not even know me, you know. I'm a son of the science same way. Kierville, I'm a place, Johnson Hill, I'm a place, Hellshire Ice, I'm a place, you know what I mean? But we have a legend in the house right about now. A man who has been around dancehall and reggae music for many years. The great sound system produced some wicked artists like Ricky General, Mega Bantan, you know what I mean? General Trees when you talk about the Rockstone voice. We have man in the house like Just Scorpio. And of course right now Just Scorpio, you can hear him on the Bridge 99 FM every Saturday morning from 8 until 12. Just Scorpio, step forward on my birthday and come see a thing for the people in my pension, man. Yes, Jack Scorpio is coming forward. See? Yeah, man. Emancipation Day. And Jack Scorpio. Jack, now I could have the first time you come to Hellshire Park, you know, Jack. I don't know, you know. I could have the first. You nearly laugh when you come here, don't you?
From Hellshire, anyway, good evening, my people. What a beautiful scene. Lovely scene. And one of the greatest things in life is when we have the young people to see them before we, the future of this country. Yeah, what a blessing, man. I love you so much, children. Yeah, it's a blessing. Now, it's an honor to be here just to come celebrate you the fact. It's the first time I come here, sir. But if the daughter want to keep it, crime and violence, and I play our song all the while, and it's a blessing. Yeah, and Franno, right? Yeah, give up Franno every time. But as I said, it's a blessing to the ear. Give thanks for this gathering. It's a wonderful vibe to a day like today. And I must say, continue what you do, my brethren, because anytime you have anything at all and have so much children, you can't wrong. I love you every time. It's a blessing.
Jack, don't move yet. Jack, you have produced some legends over the years. Mega Banton, Ricky General, General Trees, Barry Baxter to name a few. How you see the state of the music right about now? And I know say you have one young artist right about now. 18-year-old youth. Make me know what going on the ground.
Well, you know, me and the man are really safe on the positive side of the music. And we produce from Dennis Brown to Geg Rider to Barrington Levy. So just as I said, name a few of them, Garnet Silk, the whole of them. I man work with all of them. So you know my production is more like consciousness, trying to build up. That's why this thing is so important, crime and violence, stop it. Because, you know, for the song them nowadays I make too much violence in the song then. No, I don't make song with violence. I make song to elevate my country. That's why I name the artist and why I name what I produce. Just like Mega Band and this and but we talk about Dennis Brown and Geg Rider and, you know, Half Pint, name them man. I mean, Luciana, name them. Those are the artists who are on my label. But as I said, we just need the music to keep conscious. And this is why you talk to me about this little young man here, Kevin Clark. Now, he's a young artist, he's here. This is one of the things that I'm here too, because this artist is an artist that I personally work with. And because I try to make the people know, say, young people who have conscious in them, we have to try to elevate them. And this is why over 12 years I don't go into the studio and produce. But for the past last year I'm going out and producing for young artists here. And it's the first time I come on a show. And I said I can come watch him perform. But it's just to say to our upcoming artists said, positiveness stands forever. Because I make songs with Barrington Levy from 1985. Yeah. Every day I love it just a little bit more. And then songs that still live on until now. And song, you know, I saw Zion in a vision with Garnet Silk. Then songs that live on all now. Yeah, Dennis Brown. Tell me why can I be your friends for life? No, them songs that if me come here to play for them, I can play 2-3 hours what I want me to produce. I want to stop dance. I want to stop midnight because a real thing. You understand? When you see this little youth here, I don't never hear him, I still hear him. He's young and would be first time we won't get a little time to perform. So, we not look for the greatest all time, but his voice is beautiful. And I know the people and the young people will love it. For real.
Yes, Jack, you don't know, so you're my good friend, brethren. You know what I mean? So, we give thanks, Jack is a legend, you know, you're right, brother. I lift my hat up to the eye, you know what I mean? You don't care no lax about me, dread.
Lift my own shield. Hey, yo, him is a bad poetry. Boy, let me tell you something, this brother is full of pay vibes. And as I said, we can tune in every Saturday morning from 12 and from 8 until 12 on the Bridge 99 FM. And on Sunday evening from 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. And we go through live in London and a station in the Beat 103.6 FM, London and Jamaica. Thank you guys and just keep up the good work. Yes, sir.
Yes, Jack, and keep on doing the great work. And artists, them, I'm telling them, say, find Jack and sending them down, you don't tune them. Because what? We want the positive message them come out right about now. But Emancipation Day, don't forget, and even though we are here to have fun, don't forget the ancestors, how they fought and died and how they were butchered and slaughtered like dogs and hogs. You know what I mean? How the ancestors died for us. So I feel like I'm walking on the grave of the ancestors. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm walking on bones. Head bones, of neck bones, back bones, of black bones, bones that were not ready to die, bones that still make me cry. I feel like I'm walking on bones. And although them say we're free, but are we free yet? Are we free yet, Hellshire Park? Because slavery is abolished and we look so smooth and polished. Because the chain no longer binds us together, we can roam in any kind of weather. Are we free yet? Remnants of our slave masters still remains. When we struggle day to day and stress out our brain. When the sacrifices are made and nothing we gain. Then are we free yet, bad digs?
No.
Are we free yet? When we fail to recognize who we are as a people. When we fail to see class and honor the past. Like Walter Shizulu, Rosa Parks. From prison to president, Nelson Mandela. But I've got a dream like Dr. Martin Luther King. Self-reliance like Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Yes, I'll chop off them, I got tired to see we face like Robert Nesta Marley. Every man should have a plan. Lisa, every man should have a plan. Every African should have a plan. Like Obama. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.